What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So if you guys are new to my channel, I basically show you everything I own. I don't believe in charging anyone. All I ask you to do is subscribe, comment, be active on my channel, smash that like button, hit the notification bell, and enjoy the ride. Because I show you stocks that I own. I show you basically stock and dividend analysis videos and why I own these stocks. I show you stocks that are on my radar and I'm highly considering. I do a stock and dividend analysis on these stocks. And if I don't own them, I'll tell you I don't own them. But if I'm considering it, I'm telling you I'm going to consider it. So everything that's on my mind, I'm basically expressing it in my YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you that, in my honest opinion, the 3 best dividend stocks to buy in 2021 right now. So the first stock I would like to reveal is AT&T. One of the big things is they have increased their dividend over time. I will show you the dividend history on this stock. And what's going on is everybody's freaking out about this debt, but they did not increase their dividend because they want to pay off their debt. So they own DirecTV, which behind me, guess what I have to put up with in my apartment complex? AT&T Communications, HBO Max. They are involved with some entertainment businesses, and they are a revenue generator. They're worth billions of dollars, okay? Billions of dollars, okay? The market cap is 2.04.62 billion. They are well managed. They may be less than Verizon stock, but let me tell you something. For $28.70, how can you say no to a stock like this that has a 7.24% dividend yield, which I will show you right now how it's done recently with its dividend history. So I'm going to jump to that real quick. So with AT&T, it has increased its dividend from 46 cents to 47 to 48 to 49 to 50 to 51 to 52. Now, it made an announcement that it will not increase its dividend currently, but it's paying off its debt. So they're making a smart business decision. Let's not forget with Warner Brothers, basically with AT&T, they're going to be back. So some of these movies and stuff, they're going to be back. They're going to start generating money. HBO Max is starting to get bigger, and the economy is starting to get bigger. So, once people's raises come back, they'll make economic decisions, and some of them are maybe HBO Max. So that's one thing to look at. So I'm going to show you another stock that is on everybody's dividend portfolio that they absolutely love, is a stock you cannot say no to. And I'm going to jump to that right now. And ladies and gentlemen, that stock would be Pfizer. I have been emphasizing videos on AT&T and Pfizer. These two stocks are down and people need to capitalize on them. Now, Pfizer has a 4.5% dividend yield. It has generated 47.64 billion, okay? It is a juggernaut in the pharmacies. They own many products, not just the vaccine, okay? They have Viagra. They have IV bags for hospitals. They have steroids for hospitals that people take. They have statins for people that they really take pride on. People that have strokes, heart attacks, cholesterol is very high in the United States. Statins have been proven, the research has proven that statins reduce stroke, they reduce heart attacks, and they reduce cholesterol. So that's one reason why they put those in core measures for people that are discharged from the hospital. So a 4.5% dividend yield. This is a underground stock that I would consider. It is one of the largest corporations in the United States. Okay, was ranked 64th of the 2020 Fortune 500 largest U.S. corporations by total revenue. So we're talking billions of dollars. And I'm going to show you its dividend history real quick. So in 2013, it was 24 cents. In 2014, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, a special dividend. And then 39 cents okay, this stock is going up, okay, with its dividend. That's what people like is dividend investors. I love dividend stocks that usually yield about a 3 to 5%. If you can find seven like AT&T, you're in pretty good shape, but you need to be careful on the financial stability of the stock. So these are two stocks that I like and I have in my dividend portfolio. I'm going to show you one more that some people have, but some people don't have. So it's a very interesting stock. I really think it's in demand. I do not like this company actually, but I have to be rational, okay, and use my head. This stock is something that increases its revenue. It's a juggernaut, and it's part of the energy, slash utilities area, and people are going to need it. Okay, actually, I have to put up with them because my apartment complex has to put up with them because there's such a juggernaut in Ohio that you can't say no to them. And I'm going to jump to that stock right now. That stock would be First Energy Corp. So this is a electronic services company, which is in Ohio. Okay, it is in many states actually. It is not just in Ohio. Okay, it is in the Northeast. Uh, it generates 11.04 billion, has a 4.99% dividend yield, and it's only $31. So a company that has increased its revenue, okay, increased its dividend. Now, the thing is, they got some issues with corruption that's going on. So there was a guy that was a lobbyist, and he basically was getting payoffs by First Energy to keep a plant open. And I'll jump to that real quick, and this is why I'm capitalizing it. So there was a bribery case with Larry Householder, okay? So basically he was getting bribed, okay, to pretty much keep some things open in regard to First Energy, okay? So basically they bribed him, okay, to keep open certain plants, okay? So what happened was this guy is, let me just show you a nuclear bailout, okay? So this is the problem, okay? So here's the thing that happened. So a nuclear bailout was, it's clear that First Energy Solutions used part of its nuclear bailout funds to save the Salamis coal plant that was scheduled to close. So there's a huge issue, okay, this bailout, and there's some bribery and there's some issues. So here's one of them in Illinois that they just give an example of, but I'm pretty sure it's not that, don't quote me on that. But here's the thing. So corrupt electric utilities using ratepayer funds to roll back climate policy limited in Ohio. Okay, so this thing that happened was that this guy. So basically, to sum this up, this guy, federal law enforcement officials charged Republican House Speaker Larry Householder and 5 lobbyists and advisors on Tuesday in a years-long bribery scheme aimed at securing 1.3 billion bailout for an Ohio and coal and nuclear power company. So these guys are in deep crap. Okay, the price per share is down, and I'm going to jump to the dividend history real quick. So you got a 4.91% dividend yield. Sure, it was at 55, and then it went down. It's 36, then 38, and then 39 cents a share. So it has increased its dividend. Okay, it's only $31. So I just wanted to post a really quick video on 3 dividend stocks to buy, and I'm going to show you what I own on my M1 Finance dividend portfolio real quick. So the strategy I have with AT&T, okay, my holdings, I have AT&T, I own 6%. Basically, I have 6% of it in my dividend portfolio distribution. First Energy at 5% dividend portfolio distribution. And I have, okay, the other one is Pfizer at 6%, okay? So the strategy, I'll show you how many holdings I have real quick. So the strategy is, if I can get to 100 shares, imagine how much damage I can do with my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. This price is down. It has increased its dividend over time, both of these. And I'm just getting started. That's the thing that's exciting. Where is First Energy? Right here. So I own 19 shares of these guys. So imagine what I can do if I own 100 shares of these guys and to see the compound interest kick in, which it already is, because if you look at my activity, okay, AT&T just got me $11.59. Thank you for the referral bonus. If you're interested in having a dividend portfolio with that, go for it. I'll put a in the comment section. I will have my referral link if you're interested in getting $30. I get $30 as well. So you get $30 when you sign up with M1 Finance to create a dividend portfolio or a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA. The other thing is, okay, let's just see how much I got from Pfizer. I'm going to jump real quick. See, the thing is, I'm just loading up on all these dividends. Pfizer right around $5.78. So I'm starting to rack up the compound interest with these stocks. And that's what's exciting. It's just growing. It's getting bigger. I've earned a total of $417.48 in earned dividends. This is just me sitting on my ass doing nothing and putting money in, and the compound interest is kicking in. So that's what's exciting about having a dividend portfolio and investing and reinvesting the dividends. So let me know what you think of this video. Do you agree with these three stocks? Do you not like these three stocks? Just let me know. Put it in the comment section. Again, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Darth Dividend. You guys have a great weekend. And I plan on posting a video tomorrow. So make sure you smash that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks.